Welcome and thanks for creating your account. I assuming you did so because you want to put in practice on your business what I call management accounting. The key difference between fiscal and management accounting is that the first is to comply with regulations and the second one to control and understand the finances of your business. It's important to keep in mind that our software is designed for management accounting and therefore will only be valuable for you and your business if that's what you want to do. But it's also true that the information on your account could be the primary source of information that your accountant could use to do your fiscal accounting. If you agree with me that the accountant cannot solve the financial control problem, only the fiscal one, and therefore it's up to you to do it with a product like ours, we are on the right track. But the key question still is, how do you know if our product does what you want and need for your business? The main purpose of this video is to guide you on how to solve that question as quickly and efficiently as possible. To get a good idea of what you can do with our software, the best place to start is a demo company along with the Getting Started guide. And that is precisely what we recommend here when you create your account. So let's start by reviewing the demo company quickly. Let's go to expenses, for example. Let's go to inventory. Let's check the profit report. And let's go to home. So basically with the demo company, you can see how the software looks with data and understand how it's organized. That's useful, but not enough to fully understand how it works and what you can do with it. That's why we created the Getting Started guide. So let's check it out. The Getting Started guide is entirely based on the demo company. And what that means is that the series of steps that you see here culminate in exactly what you see in the demo company. So if you were to do each step of the Getting Started guide on your own account exactly as I do here, you would end up with a clone of the demo company. Let's go back to the demo company, and from there let's go back to my account. Basically, what I propose is that you learn to use the software by following some or all of the steps in the Getting Started guide on your own account. You can replicate exactly what I do or use your own fake or real data to do something similar. The important thing is that at the end of the exercise, you will have a complete idea of what you can do with the software. And as an incentive to go through this exercise, we will give you a $5 credit for every step you complete. That way, if you want to continue with the evaluation and implementation of the software, you could start your subscription without having to pay for the first month. We will just need to look at your account at the end of the exercise, apply the credits you earn, and delete all the test data so you can start using it with real data from your business. Also, keep in mind that you can schedule a quick meeting with us using this link or the help menu to ask us specific questions about using the software in the context of your business at any time, and that your questions and feedback are always welcome. Just send them using the chat widget and we'll reply as soon as we can. Thanks again for your interest in our product and for taking the time to watch this video.